What's up everyone? I'm Tim Clipper with Moomba Marina, and I'm here to talk to you today about the all-new 2023 Moomba Makai. The Moomba Makai is the largest out of the Moomba line. It comes in at 24.5 feet in length. It weighs 5,200 pounds dry. It has a 70-gallon fuel tank, and it sits up to 18 people while still having 4,000 pounds of built-in ballast. You'll find when it comes to Moomba, there's more standards than options. Take for instance Moomba's wakeboard and wake surf autopilot system known as AutoWake. This is patented technology. It sets up your pro level wake and wave and keeps your focus where it should be, on your rider and on those around you. With Moomba's flow surf system, you can easily adjust the size and the shape of your wave to suit your skill level of riding. The system uses a combination of ballast tanks and a specialized surf plate to position the hull in the optimal position to create a longer, more powerful wave or a shorter, more playful wave. Let's check out what's inside. When it comes to engines, Moomba knows what they're doing. You have a few different engines to choose from with your Moomba. You can go with the standard 6.2 liter Inmar Raptor 400, delivering you 404 pounds per torque or 350 horsepower. From there, you can upgrade to the 6.2 liter Inmar Raptor 450, which delivers you 427 pounds per torque and 398 horsepower. And if you want to take it a step further, you can go for the 6.2 liter Inmar Raptor 575 Roush Edition. This is going to deliver you a whopping 580 pounds per torque or 510 horsepower. In the back of the boat, you will see that the entire rear has drop-down storage bins, giving you plenty of room for all your water sports gear and accessories. In the middle of the floor, you will find an in-floor trash, as well as a small storage bin for snacks or flip-flops. You have two heater hoses located behind the driver's seat, a huge front bow, and plenty of room for all your family and friends. You can also opt for Roswell's Triton II racks with R-Flex technology. And every Moomba comes standard with premium Wet Sounds audio, which you'll find some of our competitors only offer on their premium models. Top it off with the Fusion deck, and you got quite the sound system. Moomba has redesigned their dash for 2023, giving it a sleek and elegant new look. Coming standard with both switches and a touchscreen to meet your personal preference. The Moomba Makai delivers pro performance wakes and waves with luxury features at a price that fits your budget. For more information on these boats, please visit us at towboats.com. Thanks for watching.